So, talking about a camera rig, looks actually really simple. And thanks, Boris, for the tip with the integrators. Um, I'm beginning to understand what they do. So they kind of dampen the change in time of a variable, and you can set them, like the rise and fall differently. So the higher this value, the more it will sort of dampen it. And that's really key to this. So I've got my beautiful scene over there. Did I ever mention that I have no talent for graphics? I think I did. There's evidence again. And hey, hello, my camera. So yeah, you can see here this is sort of my drone control station here. So let's operate that camera. So you can see here I have built a rig for the angle. At the moment, there is no block in Patchworld that will do this. I'm actually probably just going to turn this into a device because this is something that I think is missing. So this sort of rig where you have angles in all 3 dimensions, so you can actually, change that in all dimensions. It's very easy to build. I mean, all you need to do is with some rulers build a cage, put these rotors in the right position, let the rotors control each other, and then you have this called an octopus, which is kind of the central point, and then you attach that to the object you want to control, in this case the camera. So let's turn it around. So if I'm operating my drone here, I have a monitor here, and I can see I can change the angles, obviously, and I've chosen different like damping constants here for the angle and for the camera movement, because yeah, I kind of needed that. So this really otherwise gets, it's very hard to control if you don't apply fairly large sort of damping factor. Yeah. But there you go. So then, well, I don't yet know which one is which. Wrong way around. Which angle is that? Yeah, that one. Okay. So yes, that works. And I can turn it around and see myself. Yay, hello. So yeah, that definitely works. You see the camera there, and so with the integrator here, you can see what that does. So if I go all out, you see it goes. If I would have done this without without the integrator, it would have gone straight there. What it does here is kind of it moves into place slowly, and then yeah, the more it approaches the end point, the slower it will be, and then sort of eases into its position, which is quite nice for camera movement. Yeah, it feels a bit like a very advanced drone, actually. So it's really easy. It's just a couple of blocks, and you have a camera rig or a drone, whatever, drone camera. Obviously, all of this would have to disappear, so you don't have the cables in the way. In fact, they will become wireless connections, so there are no cables at all. And once I make this one disappear, it will also not show that line anymore, so that's also good. So the camera will just be on its own. But the controls probably need some thought. I mean, this does work with the sliders. It's not ideal, so I think some sort of I don't know, joystick-like thing here might be useful. We're actually quite good if in Patchworld we could sort of reuse the actual joystick controls. Don't think we can, or can we? Need to look at that block again. There's a block that gets controller. I don't think it gets the joystick. Maybe I should check it again. But there we go. A drone camera. And yeah, that's that. Could take a picture. I could wire up like a button to take a picture as well, so we can have still images from that. So yeah, there you go. Easy.